UI Online, your fast, convenient, and secure way to certify for continuing unemployment benefits and manage your claim. In this video, we'll show you how to access tax information and obtain your Form 1099-G using UI Online. Beginning each January, the EDD mails a Form 1099-G to each individual who received taxable unemployment compensation during the prior year. You will need to refer to this information when you file your tax return. In order to use UI Online to obtain tax information, you first need to register in Benefit Programs Online and create a UI Online account. If you have not created a UI Online account, please view our other instructional video, UI Online, Overview and Registration, which will assist you in creating your Benefit Programs Online and UI Online accounts. Using UI Online, you can access tax information for the benefits you already received from the EDD, in most cases without having to speak to a representative. From the UI Online home screen, select the 1099-G link to access the 1099-G page. From the Form 1099-G page, you can view and print non-adjusted benefit tax information, Form 1099-G, for up to 5 years. You can also request paper copy forms. Due to the extremely high volume of unemployment claims filed, the IRS is allowing the EDD to process 1099-G tax forms through February. If you see $0 amount on your 2020 form, your form is not yet processed. Check back later for updates. The page starts with the most current tax year available. The form shows all types of unemployment compensation payments: unemployment insurance, UI, disaster unemployment assistance, DUA, pandemic unemployment assistance, PUA, disability insurance, DI, and paid family leave, PFL, benefits issued during that tax year. Most people receive only one Form 1099-G for a tax year. Occasionally, some people have adjustments done. Adjusted forms are not available online. If you need an adjusted form for the most recent tax year, UI Online will direct you to call the EDD at the phone number provided. If you want to print the information that appears on the official Form 1099-G, scroll down and select the Print button. If, however, you would like to have an official copy mailed to you, select the Request Paper Copy button. UI Online provides information for the most recent tax year. Copies of tax information for the last 5 years are also available. At the bottom of the page, below the options to print the most recent tax year, are links to access the last 5 tax years. If you received benefits during those years, the View link will display for you to view, print, or request paper copy forms for that year. You may request a copy for each year, one at a time. But after you have submitted a request for a particular year, you cannot request another duplicate form for that year within 10 days. After selecting the Request Paper Copy button for any of the 5 years available, including the most recent year, you will be navigated to the Form 1099-G address confirmation page. The current mailing address is displayed. If your mailing address is correct, select the Confirm button. If you need to modify your address, select the Modify button to be redirected to the Contact Information page where you will update the address for your entire UI Online account. Follow the instructions to complete your request. The EDD will mail the form to you. If you need to request information for another tax year, select the Return button. You'll navigate back to the Form 1099-G screen where you can print or request another form for a different year by repeating the process. If you would like to go paperless in the future and receive your 1099-G only through UI Online, you may set your preference for all future years on your profile. From the UI Online home screen, select Profile and then select Form 1099-G Preference. You can select Yes and agree to opt out of receiving paper copies. An electronic copy of your Form 1099-G information remains available to you in your UI Online account. Please review your 1099-G in its entirety. If you have additional questions, you may log into your UI Online account and select the Contact link to access the Contact Us page. Select Form 1099-G for taxes for all 1099-G related questions. You may then select the topic that best fits your question. Some topics are information only, such as fraud. Here, we provide additional topic information and instructions on how to report fraud, as well as provide telephone numbers. For other topics such as benefit overpayment and repayment, as related to the 1099-G, UI Online will provide further information and will give you an opportunity to submit questions to our EDD staff. An EDD staff member will respond to your message through your UI Online account. If you do not have a UI Online account, you can still get 1099-G information or send messages to EDD staff through the Ask EDD portal on the main EDD website. The Ask EDD webpage can be accessed by selecting the Ask EDD link found at the bottom of the EDD homepage and at the bottom of almost all other EDD web pages. The Ask EDD main page prompts you to select from a list of categories. For any questions regarding your 1099-G information, scroll down and select the category form 1099-G. Once you select the category form 1099-G, a menu of related topics becomes available. To expand the menu of topics, click on the drop-down menu arrow. Some topics are information only. For example, if you select Are My Disability Insurance Benefits Taxable?, you will be provided with the information regarding disability insurance as well as additional contact information for the 1099-G service line at 1-866-401-2849, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. during tax season. Other topics such as I don't agree with the amount on my Form 1099-G will still provide you with additional information, including confirming your payment history in UI Online. However, if you still do not agree with the amount on your 1099-G, you may select Continue and submit a question that will be reviewed by our EDD staff members. You will need to provide all of your contact information. All fields must be completed in the space provided at the bottom of the page. Please write out your question as well as the tax year of the 1099-G that is in question. All questions are answered in the order that they are received. Questions regarding your claim will not be addressed here. Select the Submit button once you have entered your information and message. After submitting your question, a confirmation page is displayed. Please keep your reference number in case it is needed to contact EDD in the future. We hope this video on how to access your tax information, Form 1099-G, through UI Online has been helpful to you. UI Online gives you a fast, convenient, and secure way to obtain the tax information you need each year. Additional information is available on the EDD website. We also invite you to view other instructional videos that are available to learn more about the many different benefits and conveniences of using UI Online.